My favorite representation of the song, Stand By Me, performed by Nick and Benny Time. Biography. Benny Time, 1938, 1960, was an American soul and R&B singer and songwriter. He was born in North Carolina and raised up in Harlem, New York. He was a member of the group The Sister, where he participated in his show My Baby and said the last thing for me. He then began his career as a solo artist, and in 1961 he released Stand By Me, which became a worldwide classic. His song became a hit in the 1980s thanks to the movie Stand By Me. His voice is characterized by anxiety, warm, and full of lyrics made in a short TikTok. Structure. In the first verse of the song, the fight is long and standing range. Typical of soul, stable, almost conversation with the first word simply, maybe and last set. Word straight, when, night, bones, long, but has strong pronunciation. Only the words the has, in, is, has a weak pronunciation. The intonation fall at the end of it fresh, only word in confidence. The melody rise at the beginning and fall at the end. Each word is a soft beginning and a fully confident end. This verb doesn't have any completion. We have were, did, won.